Welcome to Hilton, a five-star luxury resort in the UAE. Experience elegance, comfort, and breathtaking views right here. Hilton Ras Al Khaimah Beach Resort is a prestigious five-star hotel located along 1.5 kilometers of pristine beachfront in the northern emirate of Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. Just about a 45-minute drive from Dubai International Airport, it offers a perfect blend of luxury and accessibility. This resort features approximately 250 elegantly designed rooms and suites, catering to both leisure and business travelers. Room prices typically start from around $150 USD per night and can go up to $600 USD or more, depending on the season and room category. As we step inside, the spacious lobby welcomes guests with natural sunlight flooding through floor-to-ceiling windows, highlighting the modern architecture and luxurious interiors. The high ceilings and tasteful decor create a relaxing yet sophisticated atmosphere, setting the tone for an unforgettable stay. Beyond the main lobby, guests will find a spacious lounge area featuring elegant seating, natural sunlight, and a separate corner with a billiards table, perfect for relaxed moments and quiet conversations. Step outside and the highlight awaits: multiple stunning pools designed for every kind of traveler. The first is a rectangular infinity-style pool, framed by sun loungers and tall palm trees, with panoramic views of the hotel's glass facade and garden walkways. In the center, a uniquely designed water feature with palm trees and fountains adds a tranquil touch to the entire landscape, creating a perfect setting for relaxation and photos. Closer to the shore, you'll discover a lagoon-style beachfront pool, where crystal-clear water meets the sea breeze. Surrounded by cozy sunbeds and luxury cabanas, this pool offers direct views of the Arabian Gulf, a favorite spot for guests to unwind with style. Next, we step into the hotel's elegant buffet restaurant, where guests enjoy a wide variety of international dishes throughout the day. From fresh tropical fruits and colorful salads, to artisan breads, cheeses, and traditional Emirati flavors, every detail is beautifully presented. Breakfast is served daily from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., and it's included for all guests. Special stations feature freshly squeezed juices, pastries, and a charming kids section, decorated with fun details and meals designed just for little ones. Whether you're craving a healthy start or a full international breakfast, the buffet offers something for every taste. As night falls, the resort transforms into a vibrant yet relaxing escape. Guests unwind by the pools, enjoy drinks under the stars, or join the beachside party with live DJ music. Whether you're in the mood for a celebration or quiet ocean breeze, the Hilton offers the perfect night vibe for everyone. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Hotel Top Travels for more amazing hotel experiences. Check out my previous videos for more luxury stays and travel vibes you won't want to miss, including